So have you ever thought, if you're starting an Airbnb or short-term renter business, how the hell do you manage calendars? Because look, the biggest disaster, if you don't know how to manage your calendar, is double bookings. So guys, if you're new to this channel, my name is Piers from growairbnb.com. We've worked with over 1,400 properties, and I can tell you something, that there have been some clients who's come and worked with us with Brand Builder. We've got them some bookings, and effectively, because they don't know how to manage their calendar, they've ended up with double bookings. So in this video, we're going to talk about that, a short video, but I want to make sure that you guys understand, especially if you're new to Airbnb or short-term renter business, what action to take that's going to stop you from getting double bookings. Now, firstly, I get asked all the time, if you're investing on your first unit, is it worth getting a channel manager straight away? Because look, there's people out there going, Piers, I don't see the point of doing it. A, B, they don't know how or what exactly does it do. So yes, the channel manager is probably the safest way for you to not go through the mess of double bookings, right? However, let me touch base on how to manage it. So at this moment in time, there is an option with iCal that you can link your Airbnb and Booking.com without worrying about having a channel manager, which means if you were actually promoting your units on, let's just say, two major platforms, Airbnb and Booking.com, either way, you would have got bookings come through and then those calendars would be blocked accordingly. However, if you wanted to do it manually, this is something that you can do, by the way. If you're, I always say to my clients, our clients are working with long-term bookings. So if somebody books you for a month, all you need to do is, let's say you got a monthly booking from Airbnb, you just go into booking.com and exactly block that same calendar. Now, this is the thing with our business right now with short-term rental, making sure that it's automated as much as you can. So firstly, iCal connection if you're just operating within Airbnb and Booking.com. But if you really want to systemize it, my biggest recommendation is to use a channel manager. Now, if you haven't watched my previous video, that we have actually created different types of channel managers. There's potential out there that you can book a demo call with. So before you sign up to anything, you want to know exactly what they offer. And channel managers have got so many features: pricing, availability, marketing, branding, reports. Go and check it out, because that will give you some kind of knowledge around what channel manager will do, but more importantly, how it will not get you any double bookings. Having said that, we've working with a client recently who have actually got channel manager LinkedIn, and they actually had Booking.com have the same bookings come twice in the same platform. Right now, that again sometimes can happen in your business, but it's not your fault. It's Booking.com software glitch, whatever that is, that's allowed obviously people to book the same date twice, but that's Booking.com could deal with it. But you need to make sure that you are not being penalized, because if you did get double booking, all those platforms are going to penalize you heavily around cancellation, relocating your guests. So if somebody did book you, let's say on Airbnb for a weekend, you didn't block your calendar for Booking.com, the same booking you got from those calendar, you'll pretty much end up with a massive cancellation fee, because those people will have to be relocated. And if there is not a property in that same price range to yours, they will end up paying, Booking.com will have to book something else on a higher price, and as a result of that, you'll be penalized and you'll be the one paying for it. So just a short video really, but I thought, you know what, there's so many people who talk about double booking, especially if you're new to this channel, you are learning about Airbnb and short-term rental. That is one way to stop getting double booking. So guys, please make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and make sure you share this video to your alliances or people that starting their short-term rental or Airbnb business. And look, we'll be back with another video soon. For now, thank you so much for watching.